Spanish can have several English equivalents. Each simple expression in Spanish may convey three different ideas in English. For example, yo estudio español, which is I study Spanish, or I do study Spanish, or I am studying Spanish. So these three ideas are important, so you know when you're conjugating a verb, you're not only saying one thing, or you cannot only mean one thing, but several things at the same time. Conjugations of verbs. There are endings of verbs for each subject pronoun in Spanish. Therefore, each ending is different for the subject of the sentence. To conjugate a verb, there are two parts. Drop the infinitive and add the ending for each pronoun to the stem. For example, we have the verb hablar, and as we know, the stem of hablar is everything. Oh, my bad, over here. 1 second. There you go. Everything before AR is the stem. So HABL. So the ending for the word yo is O. Tú is as, él, ella is a, usted is a, nosotros is amo, ellos, ellas an, y ustedes an. So altogether, the stem and the ending will be yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella habla, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, ellos, ellas hablan, ustedes hablan. So once again, you have to separate the stem from the AR, and then you put the stem on the verb, and then you will have to learn the ending for the pronoun that you want to say. In this case, the pronoun is yo. So the ending is O. So you say yo hablo. Okay? So the endings will change according to the pronoun you are or you want to talk about. As you see, there are some stems over here who are the same. For example, we have these two who are the same, and we have these two who are the same. It's because when you conjugate the verbs, in this case we have some conjugations that may be the same ones, but it doesn't happen very often. So the only good thing that you have to do is to learn all of them and all the conjugations. So right here, there you go. So once again, o, as, a, amos, an. And I'm gonna put the song that you guys sang last year for this one. I'm gonna upload it later to Google Classroom, but you guys know this, you must know this. If you're a new guy in the classroom, this is your chance to catch up, because this is very important for what is gonna be happening in the class as soon as I come back. To form the present tense AR, so we have the stem plus the ending. So o, as, a, amos, an. And as you know, these endings will be for different pronouns. So this one is yo, tú. Sorry for my beautiful handwriting, it's very difficult to do it on a laptop. Él, ella, nosotros. This is beautiful handwriting right here. There you go. Ellos slash ellas slash ustedes. Alright, Yes, I know it's beautiful, but those are the endings for these pronouns, okay? Remember, you can pause the video at any time to take notes. I don't want to end the show. I want to just clear everything out right now. There you go. ER endings in present tense conjugation. The endings for regular ER verbs are the same as for AR verbs, except that the vowel is E instead of A. So, we have, instead of saying O, as, a, amos, an, you say here O, es, e, hemos, en. You see the difference? It's slightly different. So, O, es, e, hemos, en. What about the IR verbs? Well, take a look for yourself. Can you find the one difference between IR and ER verbs? Beber, vivir. Bebo, vivo. Bebes, vives. Bebe, vive. Bebemos, vivimos. Beben, viven. I know, it's funny. So, the only and the one difference that is right there is this guy over here. These guys are different from ER and IR. The rest of them are the same. Alright? So, for IR and ER it's easy because they're basically the same. But only they have one exception for the rule, okay? Apart from those, we don't have any other differences. Alright, this is very annoying. To summarize, here's the endings for the three verb conjugations. So we have talked about AR, ER, and IR. So we're gonna have them all together right here. Alright, AR, ER, and IR. O, as, es, a, e, amos, hemos, imos, and en. It's not very difficult. It's actually easy. The only hiccup here is that you have to make a big effort to learn them all.